The Soviet sports science programs of the 1970s built absolute machines out of ordinary men using a cheap red powder that cost pennies a day. We were told for decades that expensive protein isolates and chemical pre-workout drinks were the only possible way to retain muscle strength after 60. That was a highly profitable lie designed to empty your wallet. The truth is that a 13-cent daily dose of this humble root extract changes the vascular delivery system of the human body. It works in ways no expensive supplement can ever match. Researchers at the University of Exeter have now proven that this simple compound floods aging muscles with oxygen-rich blood. It physically reduces the effort required to move your limbs. This is huge because it means your heart works less to do the exact same amount of daily work. Before we begin, tell us in the comments what cheap health tricks your grandparents used that actually kept them strong. We are reading and replying to every single comment with personalized tips for your unique situation. Now let us go back in time to fix your health, starting with number 4. Number 4, the Soviet secret, beetroot powder. In the deep winters of the Soviet Union, elite athletes were not drinking colorful energy drinks before their heavy training sessions. They were drinking a dark red liquid made from a cheap root vegetable that grew abundantly in freezing soil. That humble drink was the absolute backbone of their legendary endurance program. It is a secret weapon that kept their lifters and runners performing at peak capacity when Western athletes were completely exhausted. The shift happened when cellular biologists finally looked past the cheap price tag to understand the deep biological mechanism at play. They discovered that beetroot powder is the richest natural dietary source of inorganic nitrate on the human menu. When that specific nitrate enters your digestive tract, oral bacteria first convert it into nitrite, and that nitrite then becomes nitric oxide in your bloodstream. Nitric oxide is a powerful gas that immediately goes to work on your cardiovascular system. Most people do not know this, but your blood vessels are exactly like garden hoses that naturally stiffen and narrow as you age. That microscopic stiffening is exactly why you might feel completely winded just carrying groceries or walking up a single flight of stairs today. Nitric oxide forces the rigid walls of those stiffened vessels to relax and open wide. This sudden vascular expansion floods your starving muscle tissue with oxygen-rich blood in a way that no vitamin pill could ever replicate. Researchers at the University of Exeter found incredible results. One single dose of this nitrate reduced the oxygen cost of physical exercise by up to 10% in older adults. That means their aging bodies worked significantly less hard to accomplish the exact same physical task. For a senior citizen, that 10% difference is massive. It is literally the gap between stopping halfway up a staircase in pure exhaustion and reaching the top easily. You can make it all the way up without even grabbing the handrail. At 13 cents per teaspoon in bulk powder form, this is the most cost-effective vascular intervention available today without a doctor visit. But here is the shocking part about how it actually works in real human bodies. The vascular opening effect is so profoundly strong that clinical trials consistently show it lowers resting blood pressure right alongside the massive stamina boost. You get a medicinal-level vascular expansion from a simple grocery store vegetable extract. This is precision nutrition that changes how your heart pumps blood every single second of the day. Number 3, the protocol, how to take it, when, and how much. The Russian weightlifting teams of the 1980s did not consume their red powder in the locker room right before lifting heavy weights. They drank it quietly with their morning porridge hours before they ever stepped foot near a steel barbell. They did this because their coaches observed a delayed stamina effect that Westerners completely ignored for decades. Modern biochemistry now proves exactly why those old-school coaches were absolutely right. Beetroot powder requires approximately 2 to 3 full hours to chemically convert into nitric oxide within the human body. That means if you take a teaspoon right before a morning walk, it produces absolutely zero immediate performance benefit. But that exact same teaspoon taken 2.5 hours earlier produces a massive vascular expansion that lasts for hours. Research from the University of Exeter established that the peak nitric oxide window opens between 2 and 3 hours after swallowing. That window remains elevated for 6 to 8 solid hours. That is exactly why you must stir 1 level teaspoon into water or kefir. This amount, which is about 3 to 5 grams, must be taken every single morning with your breakfast. But here is where most seniors completely sabotage their own results without realizing it. They drink their beetroot powder and then go brush their teeth using harsh commercial mouthwash. That is a critical biological mistake. The bacteria responsible for converting nitrate into nitrite live directly on the surface of your tongue, and that nitrite is what your body then turns into nitric oxide. Using antibacterial mouthwash within an hour of your morning beetroot dose kills those beneficial bacteria instantly. It completely stops the chemical conversion process cold before it even starts. You must completely avoid mouthwash for 60 minutes before and after your dose to let the bacteria do their critical job. You must also avoid daily antacids, which artificially reduce your stomach acid and destroy the secondary conversion phase where nitrite becomes nitric oxide in your gut. If you follow this steady-state morning protocol for 21 days without skipping weekends, you build a lasting improvement in how your blood vessels respond and stay open. Your blood vessels remain completely wide open from breakfast until dinner time. This protocol ensures that every beat of your heart delivers maximum oxygen to your tired legs. This is exactly how you turn a cheap vegetable powder into a systematic physical advantage. It is not about taking more supplements, but about taking the right compound at the precise biological moment. Number 2, the energy results. What changed in days 1 to 21? Generations of farm workers relied on heavy root stews to sustain their grueling 14-hour days in the blazing fields. They considered these dense meals essential for deep endurance, which is a belief modern society dismissed as mere primitive folklore. Science has now confirmed that those workers were unintentionally maintaining a constant state of peak vascular dilation through daily dietary nitrate. The first change you will notice when you adopt this exact habit is not massive physical strength. It is rather a profound shift in your daily breathing. Within 5 to 7 days of following the morning protocol, the permanent widening of your blood vessels begins. This dramatically reduces the workload placed on your aging heart. This means you experience significantly less huffing and puffing during normal daily walks or light household chores. This is not some imaginary placebo effect playing tricks on your tired mind. A clinical study from Wake Forest University found that daily beetroot consumption in adults over 65 produced a measurable physical increase in blood flow. This newly increased blood flow goes directly to the frontal lobe of the brain. That frontal lobe is the exact region governing your daily focus, your motivation, and your mental drive. This perfectly explains the sudden surge of mental clarity that arrives right alongside your physical stamina improvements during that very first week. Now get ready, because this next phase is even more powerful and medically significant. By week 2, that sustained nitric oxide availability begins to lower your resting blood pressure in a mathematically measurable way. A massive meta-analysis published in the Journal of Nutrition confirmed that this specific dietary nitrate reduced systolic blood pressure. It dropped by an average of 4 to 5 points in adults with elevated readings. That specific reduction is completely comparable to the effect of a low-dose pharmaceutical intervention. For a senior whose daily fatigue comes from a tired heart pushing against stiff and narrow pipes, this pressure drop is absolutely life-changing. It translates directly into having a massive surplus of physical energy left over at the end of a long afternoon in the garden. Your heart simply beats easier because the vascular pipes are finally clear of resistance. You stop fighting your own cardiovascular system and start working with it. This energy shift makes every other physical task throughout your day feel remarkably effortless. Number 1, the muscle results. What the mirror showed by day 21. Before the invention of synthetic protein shakes, strongmen and manual laborers maintained dense muscle mass well into their later decades on simple peasant diets. We assumed they just worked much harder than us. The truth is, their blood vessels were vastly superior at delivering basic nutrients to their aging tissues. Modern sports medicine now understands that you simply cannot build or preserve muscle if the delivery pipes are permanently broken. Most seniors assume their muscles are shrinking because they are not eating enough protein at dinner time. The harsh reality is that the expensive protein is sitting right there in your stomach. Your stiffened vascular system simply cannot transport it efficiently into your legs and lower body. Beetroot powder completely fixes the biological delivery pipeline rather than just adding more unused protein to the system. This means the normal food you already eat suddenly starts working twice as hard to repair your damaged muscle fibers. Research from the University of Exeter confirmed that dietary nitrate supplementation in older adults produced a significant increase in raw muscle fiber power output. This incredible improvement happened specifically in the fast-twitch type 2 muscle fibers. Those are the exact fibers responsible for explosive movements like catching your balance during a sudden fall. They also help you stand up quickly from a deep living room chair. By day 21 of this exact protocol, the practical physical results become impossible for you to ignore. You will experience vastly faster physical recovery times between your normal activities. This means you will feel significantly less morning stiffness after a long walk the day before. You will physically notice improved grip strength. You will also experience a complete elimination of that heavy leg feeling that usually hits seniors around 3 in the afternoon. Visible cosmetic changes to muscle size take at least 8 weeks to appear in the mirror. However, functional strength improvements begin locking in within just 2 to 3 short weeks. For any senior who wants to permanently avoid a nursing home, these functional gains are far more valuable than any cosmetic change. You are literally building a more resilient and independent body from the inside out, using nothing but widened blood vessels and superior daily circulation. This is the ultimate proof that your muscles are not dead, but simply starving for oxygen. Your body was fundamentally designed to repair itself when given the correct physiological environment. The science is undeniably clear that we do not have to accept physical weakness and deep exhaustion as a mandatory consequence of getting older. You have the absolute power to reopen your stiffened blood vessels. You can flood your starving muscles with oxygen and reclaim the vibrant stamina you thought was lost to time. It only requires the discipline to start a remarkably simple morning routine. You just need the patience to let your biochemistry do the heavy lifting over 3 short weeks. You are fully capable of making this biological change right now for literally pennies a day. I want to hear from you before you go today. Tell us if you are going to try the 21-day beetroot protocol. Let us know what physical activity you miss doing the most with boundless energy. Share your detailed answer in the comments below because we read every single one. Stay strong, keep moving, and we will see you in the next video.